Look what came in the mail, a special edition, special delivery of a holiday box from the Sewers Club. They contacted me a couple weeks ago, asked me if I were interested in this as a thank you. They really appreciated my honesty with these unboxings, and I wasn't really, I don't know what to expect in here. I have the regular box too, that came as well, so I do have to do that unboxing, but I love that I got a special holiday edition one. Like, look at how cute this is. It's adorable. Before we get started at looking what's inside, my name is Chris O'Neill from Sew the Distance. Thank you for joining me, and let's get started peeking into this special holiday edition Sewers Club box. Okay, let's take a peek inside at this special delivery from the Sewers Club. Such a great company, you guys, such a great company. So I get the subscription box from them. It's 15 fat quarters a month. If you are interested in subscribing, I will put a link below so you can get, I think it's 25% off your order. This is the only subscription box that I am affiliated with where I get it for free. I do the unboxings for the Jenny's Countdown to Christmas, but I have to pay for that one. So this is the only one that I chose to work with. I really love this company. All right, it's so cute, so cute. Here we go, are you ready? Oh, they're so pretty. Oh my goodness. All right, so you get a card with the box and with all the things that are in it. Like I said, this is a special box. I'm not sure if it's going to still follow my stipulations. It probably will. So you get to pick what you want. That's what I love the most about this, because every box is different. Every unboxing that you see is going to be different on YouTube here because they're all customizable. You get to pick what themes and stuff that you want, colors you like. So, but you still get the surprise of a box. All right, so let's start looking. Oh, I like that. I can always use green. It's the one that I don't usually buy for some reason. And look at this beautiful stripe. Oh, I love it. I love it. Such a nice fabric. All right, next, put this aside. Oh my goodness, look at these strawberries. Oh my goodness, look how cute they are. These are so sweet. These would also be adorable fussy cut or focus cut for English paper piecing. Love. Oh, this is such a sweet old-fashioned type Christmas fabric. It reminds me of those vintage fabrics that you see on the tablecloths and stuff. I love it. Love it. Oh my goodness. Oh, another very vintagey feel. I wonder if the company's been watching some of my lessons from an old quilt videos, maybe? Knows I love all this antique-y stuff. Very pretty. Oh, a nice blender. Now, blender is a fabric that blends with other fabrics and is kind of like a supporting actor or actress, if you think of it that way, in a movie. It helps support all of the fabrics. Love this blue, very pretty. And this was on my list to have some blenders. Oh, another very old-fashioned-y but springy type of fabric. I love this mix that I'm getting some spring fabrics, but I'm also getting some holidays. Love this. Okay. Oh, this is pretty. Again, very spring-like. And then our very next one is this one, which goes so well with it, this yellow. Oh, so pretty. Love these two. Okay. Oh, this is now this looks almost like a batik. It's not. If you know me, you've been watching my videos, you know I'm not a fan of batiks because I don't like the feel on my hands. Sometimes I work with them, but not usually. This is beautiful. This looks like a blizzard, a winter snowstorm, which we happen to be getting right now as we speak. So this is a really, really beautiful fabric. I love that with all the snowflakes. I think it's snowflakes. Maybe it's flowers. Let me look at it again. You know what? It looks like snowflakes, but that might be my mind right now. It could also pass as flowers. Very pretty. Oh, here's another one that kind of looks like a batik, but it's not. I love this, and oh, it looks good with that too. Oh, so pretty. Turn that around. So pretty. Love it. Oh, and this one is the same fabric, different colorway. Look at how nice they look together. What can I make with this? This is so nice. It even kind of goes with my nails, my green nails too. Look at how pretty. All right, next we have a red and white stripe. You can't go wrong with a red and white stripe. They're always great. Right now I'm thinking holiday Christmas, but you could use this for Valentine's Day, 4th of July. There's all types of different times of the year that you could use this, or you could just use it in a regular quilt. Love it. Ooh, not one for glitter. It's definitely a little pushed past what I usually use. I'm not sure if I'd use this. Let me think about that one. But still, I'm not going to like them all, right? Oh boy. Now, this company has no idea of knowing this, and many of you probably don't know this either, but I am not a fan of nutcrackers at all. They're a little creepy for me, so this may be gifted to someone else just because of that. Other people, I'm sure, love it. I'm sure it's a great print, but it's so not me. Again, they would have no way of knowing that. I put on the list of things that I wanted holiday print. They wouldn't know that I don't like these. So nice fabric, not exactly for me. And, oh, this is pretty though. This candy fabric is kind of nice. It's interesting that it's like a rainbow candy fabric. There's a lot of dead space, or I forget the word. I'll put it up on the screen when I think of it, because of course I'll think about it as soon as I turn off the camera. Empty space between these, which is interesting. I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you like this one? I don't know. Either way, all of these fabrics are so wonderful. I am so blessed to be affiliated with this company. It's a great company and one of my favorites. I am loving all of these fabrics that I got. For the most part, there were a couple that aren't really my taste, but that's okay because that's going to happen. And I hope you check this company out. They also have a website. They have a ton of fabric, ton of notions. It's a regular quilt shop too, but they also do this great box. In addition to the Stash Builders box that I just showed you, or the special edition of the Stash Builders box that I just showed you rather, they have a project box. I've never used that one, but I hear it's wonderful, and I know there's other people that are unboxing that one to show. But these are some of my favorites. I love that they have the look of batiks, because I love the look of batiks, but they aren't batiks. That makes me happy. This one I'm still trying to figure out. I think it is flowers, and it says Turtle Bay on it, so I'm thinking it's supposed to be water and flowers, but I don't know. It's reminding me of snow, but I'm getting a snowstorm right now, and that's probably why. So these are all wonderful. If you want to check them out, you're interested in getting a subscription box, they have so many different options where you can choose how many, how often, all of that, and then you also get to choose what fabrics, what types of fabrics you want in the box. It's a great company. I hope you have a great day. I hope you take some time to sew, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.